lessons. So yesterday like class we see that what is that mechanical support, advantages, modification, everything we see in the vegetative. So in this lesson, so now how it is give the mechanical support to the every plant we will see. These are the thick roots growing obliquely from the basal nodes of the main stem. So they provide the mechanical support. So climbing roots. The roots are produced from the nodes of the stem which attach themselves to the support and help in the climbing. So foothold and the support, they secrete a sticky juice with tries up in air attaching the root to the support. Example epiphyllum, pinnatrum, piper petal and ficus fumula. So these are the plants, climbing plants. Okay, next butyrus root. So root, how it is modified in the blank like outer could develop towards the base or the around the trunk. So see the up, they're showing the some other plants adventure root modification from the storage. Okay, so this is the and the trunk, they grow obliquely downward and give support to the huge trunk of trees. So this is the adaptation for tall rainforest trees. Okay, wow. Example, what are they? Silk cotton, white cotton tree, and terminal arjuna, Gelox regia, terracotta alta. These are the example. Next, vital function, epiphytic or Wellman root. Some epiphytic arches develop a special kind of aerial roots which hang freely in the air. These roots develop the spongy tissue called Wellman. Okay, so which help what? Why it is helpful? Because of the vegetation and moisture from the surrounding. Okay, example Vanda tentonium and Eridice. Next, for foliar root. Roots are produced from the vein or lamina of the leaf for the formation of the new plant. Example Bryophyllum, Begonia and Jamiculus. Okay, next is sucking or a hastuarial root. So these roots are found in the parasitic plant. Parasitic develop the advantageous root from stem, so which penetrate into the tissue of the host plant and it is suck the nutrition. Next to photosynthetic, there are some example they are will giving Cascata, Arbolic, these are the example. Next to photosynthetic are assimilated roots. Roots are some climbing epiphytic plants. It develop the chlorophyll and turn green. So it is very helpful for the photosynthesis. Example Chinnophora, Trapnata, so water chestnut. These are the example. Next for the shoot system. So shoot system means embryo germinating the seed grow into the stems. Okay. So embryo growth in the axis, the bears leaves from its tip, which contain the actively dividing the cells of the shoot called a apical meristem. Okay, further cell division growth result in the formation of the mass tissue we called as the leaf primordium. What is that? The leaf primordium, the point which we can called that the leaf, the main point arise that the reach between the two adjacent node we call internode, or one node is we called as a node. So normally that you can, how can we I can explain that. See, for example, so this is the normally we can draw the plant. So leaf, this is that. So this like coming now. Some this only we called as the internode. What is this? This only called as the internode. Okay, this only called as the internode. Okay, this is the internode. Two adjacent. So this is the two adjacent side. So we call as the internode. And the characteristic feature of the stem. The stem is a aerial portion only. So what is the function of the stem? So it transferred from the root, transferred to food preparation. So other parts of the body. Secondary function is food storage and water storage. And then they are giving the food storage example. What is that? Solanum, tubersome, colossea and gingiber apnical and gingiber apnical, curcuma longa and apnicia or opnicia. Bogni is the Neptunicius. Photosynthesis, apnicia, ruscus, cashneria, eucorpia, carolnoma. Protection is citrus. Citrus means all the what is that? Lemon. It is a citrus. Turanata, Bougainvillea, Cessia, Phlegia, Carissa. These are the example for the give the protection. But why miss protection? This spike like is there no mull. That is only it is give the protection to the plant. Okay, these plants and all having that like. Next support, that passiflora, Bougainvillea, Vitis, Cissus, Squalus. These are the give the supports. Bud and all. What is that bud? Okay, you know that is mottle. So buds are the growing points surrounded by the protective scale leaves. The bud prominent mature in the bud. They have compressed axon in which the internodes are not elongated. So young leaves are closed. What will happen? Young leaves are closed. Okay, so young leaves are closed and crowded. Young leaves are crowded. So if they see this is the plant means the leaf is small leaf means this crowd. After that bud and all you know that. So muttu like that is small pinches are there. After that one by one it will be form a leaves. So this is the internodes elongated, leaves spread out. Buds that are which are identical to the original shoot and the develop into the lateral branches are many terminated. So you know that the developing on the flowering influenza based on the origin of the bud only classified into terminal, apical bud, lateral or axillary. And based on the function also they are classified into vegetative bud, floral bud. What is the floral? That is a reproductive. Vegetative means without reproduction. Okay, ma'am. So see, terminal bud or apical bud means these buds are present at the apex of the main stem, at the tip of the branches. Okay. Lateral bud, what is that? These buds are occurring in the axil of the leaves and develop into the branch of flower. Okay. Extra maxillary bud means it is a nodes but outside the axil of the leaf. Accessory buds means either side it will be formed. Okay, citrus and tironata. And next, adventitious buds means it is adventitious bud radical. So part than stems. So which grow in the plantals. The buds are those that go on leaves from veins, the margin of the leaves. So calend buds arise directly from the stem, either from cut and from branches. Adventitious buds function of the propolis which produce in the stem are tuberous structure. Example, Dissora agava. So next, specialized bud are bulbils. Buds meant for propagation when bulbil detach from the parent plant. So if they formed the bud, so this is the plant, this means after that it will be detached, cut it and come out, and then it will form another plant. This like happen means we call it as the bulbils as specialized buds. So it's a axil of leaves that will be formed the develop just above the swollen roots. So next class we will see the what types of stems. Okay, thank you students.